Hey everybody, this is John Barton from JB Cases. This is our weekly showcase for the week of March 16th. Alright, let's jump in right here and show you what we got. We got a bunch of stuff here. We just got done with Chinese New Year, so I have a couple extra this week that we normally don't have because we took a little 10-day break. Alright, this is a 1x2 1 butt, 2 shafts, ultimate rugged style with 3 pockets here. It's a lot of stuff for 1 butt and 2 shafts, but you never know. There we go, 1 butt, 2 shafts, ultimate rugged, and the ultra pad protection in there. Ultra pad protection. How you doing there, Chai? Chai, come here. What you doing? Come here. Oh, have I got all kinds of stuff on the table there, babies? Okay. Hi, Chai. Chai. All right, this one here is a 3x6 black, orange, and white. White pocket sides in there. See what we got going on in here with an orange interior. There you go. And this one feels like it's got some pocket trays or something inside. Let's see what we got. Nope. Alright, got a big open pocket right there. I don't know, let's see. Are we smuggling something in here? No. Just durable. Shows you I haven't done one in a while. Alright, let's put that back in there. There we go. That's how easy it goes back in. Alrighty, I'm going to stack these up over here because I got to get to the inner ones on the inside. Alright, this is a 2x5, 3x4, black and red. Black with red stitching, red piping for JWAC. There you go, single strap. And we have a red interior. There you go, 2 butts, 5 shafts, or 3 butts and 4 shafts. That's our 2x4 equivalent. So you can see right there that we are so this one here is a beautiful purple Asian zing style. Right there with a silk brocade on there. Look at this design. Let me bring this up here so you guys can really see it. Look at that. Look at that fabric on there. So nice. It's so hard sometimes visually to really see how beautiful this is, but it's got like a little shimmer to it when you kind of move it. See the light right there? So that's really neat. So there's a 4x8 with turquoise zipper pulls, by the way, leather zipper pulls. And there you go, and we got a purple interior right there. Very nice. All right, so now this one is done. Let's put that back over here. Okay, this one here is a 4x8 black and blue. Black with blue pocket sides here. And blue pockets, and gray. It says Scott right on there. I like the way that is at the top of the pocket. Looks really cool. There you go. So this one here has gray stitching and a blue interior. 4 butts, 8 shafts. Alrighty, next one. Next one we have here is, check this out. This is really cool. This is, excuse me, something fell down here. All right, this one here is really neat. This is a cool pattern. I've not seen this pattern before. So this is sort of a tweed kind of pattern in here. Something weird, a little bit different. I've not seen this fabric before. This is a golden and looks like kind of a tartan, I guess. type of design on there. Look at this. Look how neat that is. I'm not even sure where that came from there. That's I don't think the customer sent it in, but the customer might have said, hey, show me something cool. And Lulu said, okay, check this out. 3x6. That's how it goes sometimes. You know, sometimes we have people, they'll call us up and they'll say, I want something custom, but I haven't really seen anything that I want on your website or anything in your showcases. So why don't you just show me some stuff? And then that's how some of these cases get made. Okay, this one here, let's see here if I can get that out. Okay. This is a 3x6, 3 butts, 6 shafts with black and purple stitching, purple zipper pulls, which has JB cases on top. And this one has purple interior and says JB cases right there. Sometimes when we do this like this, it's like a request from like a dealer or something. Let me see here. Yeah, I think this is probably one of our dealers ordered it like that. So it's not quite a full custom, but it's different enough than what we normally put out, because we don't do the JB Cases logo on there unless it's by request, that it kind of differentiates, you know, what they normally get with what we normally make. So it gives a little bit more flair to it. All right, so I'm going to move here to this one here. This is a 4x8 with, okay, hold on, I'm going to pause this real quick, but I can't pause it, so I'm going to have to start over. All right, I got to tell him I'll call him back. Hold on a second. Hey, John.
Hey.
What's going on?
So I got kind of dialed up there. So as soon as they said we would come to do the full set tomorrow, cases, when it's supposed to be like a 50-degree difference, he was like, oh, I got stuff for you to do.
Okay. All right.
But so there is some of my team coming up there today to practice for off.
Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Okay.
And then of course we got Jeep tomorrow, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we do.
Okay. So does she have classes with day?
She's got classes every night, actually.
Okay.
But you know, we could get with her and see about scheduling. Weekends are the best because there's no class on Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, Friday night especially.
Oh, okay. Because I stayed like till 2 o'clock one Friday night.
Yeah, usually it's going to be after about 10 or 11 they'll be done.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Only a couple hours. So, yeah, probably. You said Saturday and all Saturday, Sunday no class.
Yeah, generally Saturday and Sunday day there's no class. So we could work something out then. Hey, I'm doing a video right now. Can I call you back in a few minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.
Am I gonna see that?
What?
The video?
No, it's just it's a weekly showcase video.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Good luck. All right.
Talk to you later. Bye bye. Sorry about that, folks. You know, sometimes you're trying to handle several different orders of business here. Okay. Anyway, and I don't have a pause on this recording, so I can't just pause it. All right. So, I feel like there used to be a pause on there, but I don't know. All right, this one is cool. This is a hybrid leather case. This is brown, dark brown, kind of a chocolate brown and a medium brown. You got a really nice piece of leather accenting it there. Now, when we do these hybrids, check this out. See all how the leather for all the attachment points is also matching? And this has brass fittings. on here. How cool is that, right? So this is a 3x6, 3-butt 6 shaft. So if you want a little bit of leather in your life, there you go. You get one of our leather hybrids. Okay, now this one here is for, let's see here, the Hatchet Man. So, okay, so this one was made for, see, it's got the logo of the League Room on there, which is a really cool pool room up north. And see, we got the Hatchet on there, and then the Hatchet Man right there. And I don't know if that's Dennis Hatch, but if it is, that would be pretty cool. But I remember, I think Dennis used to be called the Hatchet Man as well. So this is a 4x8 with red interior, so classic red interior, red stitching, and towel ring on there, and backpack straps, and the whole deal. So there you go. All right, let's move on through here. Well, we got a bunch today. All right, moving on through here, we got more for the League Room here. So this is another one. This one's this is pretty cool. I've not seen this combination before. This is kind of a maroon, white, and blue. Maroon, white, and blue. See that? Very cool, with backpack straps, 2x5, 3x4, with a maroon interior. There you go. So very cool. The League Room is a really nice place. They've just expanded too to like a lot more entertainment offerings. Okay, this one here says for daily, right there, 4x8, black with purple stitching, backpack straps, purple zipper pulls. There you go. All right. Next one I have here is an Asian Zing style. This one's really cool. This is golly, man, I'm dropping everything today. Okay, this one here, kind of lost. I don't know what goes with what here. This is an Asian Zing black silk brocade with purple. Very cool. And then look on the back here. We have a really cool design. This is it's like a bird on there. I'm not sure, is that an eagle or a dove or what that is, but the important thing is that it's important to the customer, right? It's the expression of whatever the customer wants. This one also has a purple interior, 4 butts, 8 shafts. Very, very cool. All right. And I'm not sure, I don't think that was what went there, but okay, this one goes here. All right, moving on here, we got some really cool cases in here. This one here is black and pink, 2x5, 3x4, black and pink for LB. There you go, LB, one strap on this one. And this is pink zipper pulls and a black interior. Well, I thought that would be pink. Look at that, black interior. What are you doing, Chai Chai? Chai Chai, what you looking for? Chai's always looking for stuff. Okay, this is one of the coolest ones that I've seen in a while here. Guys, this one's pretty wild right here. So this is what we call a solo style right here, where we just we do kind of a patchwork with different materials, and this is a customer order. So check it out. This is, I'm just gonna let the case speak for itself actually, because it's so cool, right? Look at this. Sorry. Look at this. Now wait, it gets better, right? It gets better. Look at this. How cool is that? That case is freaky. So, very cool. 2x5, 3x4. Let's see what color interior we have. Oh, a navy blue interior. Wow, that's very pretty. Look at that. 2x5, 3x4, navy blue solo style. That is pretty cool. Okay, moving on here. We have another one for the league room here. This one is for Carson. 3x6. Larson, I'm sorry, Larson, not Carson. Larson. Black and red. Black with red pocket sides, red stitching, and a red interior. 3 butts, 6 shafts. There you go. Alright, moving on, we got a black. We have a black and green. Black and green 2x5, 3x4 with green stitching. There you go. And this one has a green interior. There you go, bright green interior. You will not miss the holes on that one for sure. Okay. So the next one I have here is another black and green. It's a 4x8, so I'm not going to show it to you. Same thing. All right. Moving on here, we have a pink. We have a pink 2x3 right here. 2 butts, 3 shafts. This is your light pink or baby pink right there for Susie Q. See that? Here, let me move that over so you can see it better. For Susie Q. Nice and elegant with backpack straps. Very cool. And this one has a beautiful pink interior. There you go. Pink interior for Susie Q. Alright. And we have here, let's see, a 4x8 basic rugged. One strap here, basic rugged. This is, when we say basic rugged, we mean no top handle, 2 pockets, and 1 strap, okay? And the ultimate rugged is 3 pockets and a top handle and a towel ring. So this is a basic style right here, 4x8 with a baby blue interior. And there you go. If you just want the durability, you don't need a top handle and all the other stuff, then just go for the basic rugged. That'll save you some money. Okay, this is our, I'm not sure what year this is that we're doing this for the Shoot for the Cure, but this is the 2026, I mean, I don't know how many years we've been doing it, but this is a 2026 Shoot for the Cure for the league room. Right there. So they always do this, one of their tournaments is a tournament for breast cancer. So there you go. Alright, and I am going to stop the recording right there. Thank you guys very much.